Oh, Siobhan, where'd you get that jet black iPhone 10? Oh, it's not a jet black iPhone 10. It's just the thinnest case in the world. What's up guys, how you doing? Siobhan here, back with a new video, and today I found the thinnest iPhone cases in the world. So I have some for the iPhone 8 Plus and I also have some for the iPhone 10, and you guys know how I love thin cases. That's why I love skin so much. But the great thing about this is that it's not a skin, it's a case. It comes in at 0.35 millimeters thin. It's so much, you know me already, I can't use all these cases, so I'm gonna give away some at the end of the video, so stick around to the end guys. But as you can see, they come in a lot of colors right here, super cool. So you can see we have the green one, the blue one, red, this one is baby blue, and this is like a white, and they all have like cute names on them, no homo. They have some really nice names. So like this one is called Judy Blue Eyes, the girl for the green one, Blue Monday, Black Magic, and Yellow Submarine. So they're all cool. So yeah, we have our iPhone 10. These cases are not like for people who like work at the construction site. It's more like for people who love to feel their phones, but they still want the added protection, like with scratches and all of that, because we all know how the stainless steel phone scratches so much, but we just so love the design. But yeah, I think this is the one guys, and to me, I'm just so excited to try out all these cases. So let's just go with the Yellow Submarine first. Right here guys. Woo. Yo, it's super light. Look at this. Can you guys see how thin this is? This is the thinnest iPhone case in the entire world. So let's just put it on our iPhone right here. Oh my days. Look at that. Yo. Alright, this looks super sick right here guys. Let me know if you could see it. Thinnest iPhone case in the world. Let's open the rest of them and let's just try them out. So fast forward in 3, 2, 1. Guys, so we just did the unboxing and here are the cases. They smell so nice too. So we have all the cases right here. Just look at that. I love the colors, man. These are the thinnest cases. I know I said it. Did I say it already? I think I said it before. But it's super light. You could use it as like, you know those things that they have at church where they're like with the fan and all that. Yep. These are nice cases, like summer vibes and all that. I love it. Here's the white one. It's like a clear one for the iPhone 8 Plus. So yeah, let's try them on to our phones. It's super easy to put on. I kind of like the blue and the yellow. So here's my iPhone 10, just like that. And it's low-key translucent, so you can still see the Apple logo, which a lot of people like. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Look how thin this is. I'm gonna run some B-roll right now, but this is like a skin, but it's not a skin, and it looks so cool. It gives your phone this awesome look. I can't wait to take some pictures of it. So yeah, I'll leave all the links down below. So this is the blue one. We have yellow that I just showed you. Let me show you guys the green one. I said before, I'm gonna do some close-ups of this guys. Just look how nice this green one is. We have that branding right here, case. The cutouts are perfect. They said that it's handmade, edge to edge, precision, and that's absolutely true. I could see every precision. This is like a glossy finish with the black. Get that jet black look. How to turn your iPhone 10 to jet black. That could be a video right there. It's really cool. I turned my iPhone 10 jet black with $30. Hey Google, turn on the lights. Let me know what you think of them. We have the yellow one, the blue one, black, green, baby blue. We also have the white ones here. I know I have tons more for the iPhone 8 Plus. I'll leave all the links down below in the description. Thanks to Case for sending out this cases for my videos. Let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section. I'll throw up some B-roll if it wasn't already thrown up. So yeah, if you want to win one, get this video to 500 likes and then comment down below what phone you have and also what color you'd want from the colors that I have right here. I'll be rocking the yellow one. You see it in my videos. Love this yellow one, guys. Ton of videos coming soon. I don't have school until Monday, so bunch of videos coming out. Drop a like down below, and as always, guys, love, peace, good luck to all the giveaways. Signing out.